आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी ऑडियो के साथ मेरे अल्टरनेट चैनल youtube.com/md मुदस्सिर आलम पर देख सकते हैं। वीडियो की लिंक मैंने इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपके साथ शेयर कर दिया है। हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। दिस इज करियर मास्टर मोहम्मद मुदस्सिर आलम। आई होप you are safe, you are taking proper care of yourself. Amidst COVID-19 second wave, I am bringing new videos for you. I am sharing new information for you. In this exclusive video, I am going to share about the new proposal of University Grants Commission. University Grant Commission has issued a letter to the Vice Chancellors of the universities as well as principals of the colleges of the country. In the letter, it is told that keeping in mind COVID-19 second wave, the online courses, MOOCs courses may be offered through SWAYAM platform. In the letter, it is directed that a total of 83 UG courses, UG level courses as well as 40 PG level courses may be offered during the July-December semester. What are the details? I will share all the details with you. But before proceeding ahead, I am requesting you to watch this video till end so that you do not miss any important information. Like this video, don't forget to share this video with others, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. In the letter, UGC has directed the university vice chancellor as well as principal of the colleges that the list of the courses may be discussed with the apex body, academic council of the university as well as colleges. After going through the academic council, these courses may be adopted for the upcoming semester. On your screen, you can see the letter of Professor Rajneesh Jain, Secretary, University Grants Commission. This letter was issued on 28th of May 2021. Dear Sir, Madam, this is with reference to the UGC letter number dated 26th of March 2021, wherein UGC has shared UGC credit framework for online learning courses through study webs of active learning for young aspiring minds SWAYAM Regulation 2021 copy includes, which has an enabling provision for an institution to allow up to 40% of the total courses being offered in a particular program in a semester through the online learning courses offered through the SWAYAM platform. You can get more details on this website further in this video. You can see the other points are mentioned, keeping in mind the COVID-19 second wave. In the current scenario of the second wave of the COVID-19, universities and colleges are requested to make optimum use of the SWAYAM online platform for the benefit of the students learners. The list of 83 UG and 40 PG MOOCs courses which are ready to be offered on the SWAYAM platform in July-October semester 2021 is enclosed here with and may also be seen at this URL. You can click this URL and get all the details. Other points are mentioned in this letter. So you can see this needs to be approved by the academic councils of the university. So this is the letter. I have shared the link of the letter in the description of this video. Further, I am going to share the list of the courses. You can see these are the list of the courses at UG level. Serial number, discipline, degree program, BA, BSc, BCom, subject, course title, name of the course, coordinator, designation, affiliating institute, start date, end date, tentative exam date, host university, number of the credit of the course, course URL. These are the courses. I am scrolling the document. You can pause the video and read all the details. The courses are related to various streams. You can complete, you can do these courses online. Certificate will be given for on completion of these courses. You can see here the list of 66 courses are given in this document. I have shared the link of this document in the description of this video. You can click the link and download the document. Further, I am going to share the list of the PG courses. You can see this is the list of 40 PG courses, serial number, discipline, degree, subject, new course ID, course title, name of the course, coordinator, start date, end date, post university institute level, UG, PG, number of credit of the course, tentative exam date, course URL. I am scrolling the document. You can pause the video and read all the details. As you can see, these are the online courses offered through the SWAYAM platform. I have shared the link of this document in the description of this video. You can download the document and read all the details regarding the courses. You can visit the UGC website notices section at UGC. You can Download the documents from these links as well. For further guidelines, you can download this document.
I hope after watching this video you got to know about the Swayambhu courses. If you are having any doubt, you may visit the website of the University Grants Commission. I have shared the links of all the documents in the description of this video. You may click those documents, you may click those links and download the documents for further any information. Thanks a lot. Please keep on watching my channel. All the best for your career. Stay at home, stay safe.